Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is show you step by step how to pick up some EDNAMODE meme tokens. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below. Did you pick up any of these meme tokens? So by the way, I did an overview / first look review video. So if you guys want to get my thoughts and opinions on this meme token, I did that. So if you guys can so kindly head over to the channel and check it out under videos. So I give you my thoughts and opinions. Ultimately, there's some things I do like, some I don't, but there is some potential opportunity. So the team sent me some tokens and they said, do a quick review if you want. And I'm like, you know what? I'll talk about it. So there's a few things to talk about in this video, but at the end of the day, this is a new meme token on MELD, and there are not a lot of tokens in general, and memes are going to really propel the market forward. So let's start off with the first step. So guys, you do want to head over to MELD.com. So MELD is the layer one that this token is launching on. So this is MELD. And you guys have to sign in and or create a wallet. So we're going to show you what this looks like, the process. So guys, go to MELD.com, click on MELD app, all right, and sign up. Create your own wallet, create your own account. If you guys want, head over here, put MELD wallet. So I've got tutorials on how to create your own MELD wallet. I will have links down in the description below for you. But basically, I've got tutorials how to set up a MELD app wallet. That will get you started. Make sure to write down your seed phrase, etc. And once you get into your wallet, this is what it looks like. And I think MELD has done a spectacular job. So once everything is out and, you know, the lending and borrowing is working, this is going to be a phenomenal feature as well. So step one, guys, log into the MELD app. Number two, you want to hold MELD on MELD. So if we take a look at my wallet, I've got some MELD, more than enough to do this. So we've got MELD on MELD. So if you have to, you can bridge over the token. All you're going to do is click on bridge. So here I've got some MELD on Cardano. So you can connect to your NAMI, and all you're going to do is bridge over some tokens if you have to. So Cardano to MELD. And if you want the full tutorial, guys, put MELD bridge, and I've got videos on that. This is probably the best one, how to bridge MELD. Okay, I've got a few videos on this, so that will help you step by step. And basically, you'll see the bridging appear, and then you will have MELD on MELD. So I've got some tokens there. So the next step is going to be step 3. That is to connect MELD to Azomi. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's unconnect this for now. So if we head over here, you're going to see in the top right, we got Wallet Connect. So we're going to connect our MELD app to Azomi so they can communicate. Okay. So this is Azomi, and this is the DEX, the first DEX on ADA. This is where EDNAMODE, they have a bunch of liquidity on here. So actually 70% is locked up on this DEX. So I do like that aspect. So you're going to go here. You can connect MetaMask, do it that way, but this is the easiest way I know. From ADA to MELD, then MELD to EDNAMODE, this meme token. So here we're just going to copy that. And all we're going to do is go to wallet, and we are now going to paste and hit this red button. Okay. So now you're going to see Azomi, and we're going to click on Azomi. So that will launch Azomi, and your wallet will be connecting. So this does take some time. Here my tokens are already showing, which is pretty cool. But for you, it may take a little bit of time. So let's zoom in a bit. I should have done that in a previous video just to get a little more loose. So what we're going to do now is do our swap. So now we're going to swap MELD for EDNAMODE. And I want to share with you a couple of pro tips to perform this transaction. So we're going to go to UPay. We're going to click on MELD. So we're going to use MELD for this. So here we got 92,000 MELD, a ton here. And we're going to click on EDNAMODE. Okay, so I already have some here. And let's say we want to get, I don't know, 1,000 MELD worth, like $10. We can do that. Let's say you want to get more. So I'm going to get a little bit more. Why not? Like, let's get a little loose. Let's do 5,000 MELD. $60-ish. Why not? And let me share with you what it looks like with the 1.2% slippage. So basically, this is going to be a 0.5 slippage. If you click swap, you're going to see a transaction error. You need to increase the slippage. So that's probably the most important thing you can do. So even if you do like a 1.2, which we've done with others, let's see if that goes through. Probably won't. Yeah, you won't. So what I found is that I have to do a 2% slippage. Okay, so 2%. Swap. And now we're going to go back to MELD and approve this transaction. Okay, so we're swapping 5,000. There we go. So MELD-EDNAMODE. And that is our transaction. So I believe it already went through. I'm not even sure what the balance was before this, but that is how you pick up some EDNAMODE. So pretty simple. Again, you guys can head over to Crypto Moose, get loose on the channel, and really use this as your library. So for example, say you want to pick up a MELD meme, or if I have any MELD meme videos, that's where this video will appear in the future. So you guys can pick up another token, but I want to focus some attention on EDNAMODE. So here's the website as well. If you guys are interested, the website does need some work. I don't think it's great, but there are some plus sides. If we take a look right here, I'll have this link for you as well. But the market cap is low. I believe the Moose may have just increased it as well. So what is that? A $29,000 market cap, which is low for crypto, even for memes. So guys, with that being said, are you going to get loose on EDNAMODE? I will provide a link under new projects. I will update that so we have EDNAMODE in there. So guys, pick up a hardware wallet, protect your digital assets. That being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.